Redwood Rally 2025 Woodburn Dragstrip.
Made a little bit more power than the rods could handle.
They had a little trouble there.
Time for a new one.
Looks like they've got both heads off, and so you pull them both.
Yeah.
Which is be on the road later.
Thank you very much.
All right, cool. Today's stop for the Redwood Rally is at Woodburn Dragstrip, and the weather was fantastic, about 75 degrees, and the track conditions were incredible. Cars came from all over Canada, Texas, Wyoming, you name it, they were there. And a great variety of cars and some good racing. And as you will see, some of them had to overcome some major challenges. Many of these competitors had never been to Woodburn Dragstrip, let alone make a pass down the track. With the elevation around 150 feet and the weather very mild, and the track prep and track conditions were very good, many of these competitors set their personal best times. Stacy Gomez of Reno, Nevada entered this 1992 Camaro in the graffiti power outer class. They were number one in their class at a 770 in the quarter mile and a 505 in the eighth when the troubles began.
It looked like you had a hell of a pass that last pass, but push the head gasket out?
Yeah, we went 770 in the quarter,
Yeah.
182, but head gasket let go. We torched the head. We're trying to rig it up, see if we can make it, but it's not looking good right now.
Uh-oh.
The block's not too bad, but the head is not looking good.
Uh-oh.
So,
Uh-oh.
yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
We're doing a last-ditch effort to try to make it.
So you were 770, you said?
Yeah, in the quarter. We went 505 in the eighth.
505 in the eighth.
Put me in first place in my class.
Oh, no!
If I can't make it to the next track,
Oh,
it's all
man!
over.
So, working on trying to fix the head, huh?
Yeah. It's going to be a Band-Aid. Even if I fix it, I don't think I'm going to make any power with what we got. I'll just limp through the rest of the event.
Sure.
At least be able to finish.
Yeah. So you got, what, 3.5 hour drive tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Dang.
Yeah, tough luck.
Yep. I will check in with the Gomez's later and see how they're coming along. Kyle Condos of Wyoming entered this 1979 Mustang with a 5.0 Coyote engine in it. He ran a 962 when the rods let go. What's going on here, man?
Well, made a little bit more power than the rods could handle, so time for a new one.
And you guys are from where?
Wyoming.
Wyoming.
Yep.
That's pretty freaking wow. So what's the plan here?
We've got a new junkyard motor on the way.
Coyote?
Yep, Coyote. And swap this one out for that one and get on the road.
Hoping to get her on the road tonight for Madras.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
How soon your motor gonna be here?
About 10 minutes out at this point. So
Right on, guys.
might be an early night still.
Right on.
Coming in hot!
Well, I said I'd come back and check on you guys. Look like you got the motor out. That's the old motor there. And you can see they had a little trouble there. I seen your new motor come in through the gate. I got a picture of that. Wow. Where'd you find the motor?
Some random junkyard about an hour away.
No kidding.
Yep.
Wow. Pretty wild.
Pickup.
Stick around later in the video. I'll tell you whether they got it running or not, and what time they were able to leave the track to head to Madras. I will check back in with them later in the video. what do you guys think of these guys over here from Wyoming? They're ripping into that coyote.
Well, I'd say more ambition than we got.
It's going to be a late night, isn't it?
Yeah.
How late? What do you think? Think these guys will be done by midnight?
We're from Wyoming.
Yeah.
I can see why they're putting in the work.
What time is it now?
We're not doing it.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
4:59.
What do you think? You got 6 hours ahead of them?
I would say they'd be lucky to leave the parking lot by midnight. For sure, yeah.
What's your bet?
They're not out of here before midnight.
Yeah.
What's your bet? What time they out of here? What time do you think they're out of here?
Possible. I don't know.
Huh? Come on.
I don't do
What time?
They got cams out of that thing. A lot of cams.
I'm going to say 11 o'clock.
There you go.
I'm going with 11.
That'd be great for that.
12:02. He's could be the one.
People are posting what it is.
Maverick, you had a pretty good day yesterday, I heard. The cruise was good coming up here.
Yesterday was rough, today is rough, but hopefully we'll turn it around on this pass.
Today's a little rough.
Yesterday was rough, we had a big hole in the timing cover.
Oh,
so,
no.
We had to get that welded up, weld our dampener together so it didn't fall apart again and get another hole in it. And got on the road at dark time, probably the last ones at every checkpoint. And then we were here first thing in the morning to run and had a lot of issues with the line lock holding the brakes on throughout the pass. It really got me a little sideways.
Yeah. Wow. Well, you gonna make one more here?
I think we're going, yeah.
One more and then off to Madras.
Yeah.
Cool. Have a good time. Think you got her dialed in, Tony? Oh, she will. They had more balancer problems, but they stayed late and got it fixed, and were on their way to Madras and ran really good the next day. The bearings on the snout of this supercharger failed, and he was done and had to be trailered out of there. So he ran a 770 in the quarter mile today, 505 in the eighth. All right, so we stopped by earlier, and the guys had pulled this one head off. Looks like they've got both heads off. And so you pulled them both, which is, I would say, the right thing to do.
Yep. The other one ended up being blown too.
It was.
Yeah, it was. So went off to Hanson Machine. They're on their way back right now.
Nice.
I don't know what time it is right now, but we're hoping to get out of here.
I think it's about 6 o'clock.
Yeah, hoping to get out of here by about 9. Got a 3-hour drive ahead of us.
Nice.
So, but we're in first place, so
cool.
worth it.
You gotta go. Gotta
Gotta
do it.
keep going.
Right on. All right. Well, hope you have her done by then, and be on the road later.
Thank you very much.
All right, cool. Around midnight, I got a text from Stacy, and they'd gotten the car back together, but they had other problems. They attempted to take care of the problems, but weren't able to. So they held it over until the next day, and they attempted again to get the car going and take care of the problems, but they were unsuccessful, and had to call it a week. All right, these guys in the blue Camaro were about the last to leave. I think they worked on the car till midnight and was not successful in getting it going. The Mustang here, those guys got it running at 11:48 and sent me a video of it running. They finished up and got out of there and drove to Madras that night and raced the next day. And the Miss Maverick car was another one of the cars that was one of the last ones to leave. Although I think they left considerably earlier than the Mustang and the Camaro. But they also went on to Madras and was able to get it done the next day there. But that group from Wyoming, they were also running a GMC Cyclone and a GMC Typhoon alongside of the Mustang, and they had, I believe, a 37 Chevy Coupe there that they were running. So quite a group. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rust Duck Garage.